What's happening? It's Peter Waitsman, founder of Expedition Money, and I want to talk to you today about financial wellness programs. I have one. Expedition Money is my financial wellness program. It's a culmination of everything that I've learned by working on 3 different corporate financial wellness programs, as well as pursuing financial independence on my own and being able to retire early, even though just a few years before that, I was saddled with debt. But I want to talk to you today about a word that is used in financial wellness programs a lot, and I don't think it means a lot to people. And because it's out there in the industry, and because companies and employers, agencies, banks, credit unions, organizations that provide programs use it so often, they print it everywhere. They say it in conversation, and I do it too. But to the average regular person that is thinking of using this, I don't think it really rings, and that is the word wellness or well-being. So a financial wellness program. Most people ask, what is that? What's included in your financial wellness program? What do you offer? What does it do? Financial wellness is certainly a thing, and we can look at it as a pillar in the circle of wellness, right? But for most people, it doesn't really ring. To me, one of the words that does ring is peace. And as you may know, Dave Ramsey has Financial Peace University. I think that was brilliant because people aren't necessarily looking for wellness, health, financial fitness, right? Some other words that I think actually work better than wellness, but some of those still ring a little hollow. But peace is really something a lot of people are looking for. Peace of mind, a little bit of stress-free. A friend of mine used to use the word sanity. We help provide economic sanity, financial sanity, because sometimes we just feel a little insane. Everything is going crazy. Everything is really chaotic. And so a little bit of sanity helps, just a little bit of quiet, a little bit of meditation, a little bit of financial serenity, if you will. So in a lot of ways, I think some of these words do better at describing and telegraphing to people what these programs do other than wellness, which seems to be the word everyone races to, even to myself. And I think when I am presenting my company to companies to use, or organizations or banks, credit unions, they understand the word wellness. But let's not, as people in our ivory tower behind the scenes in a corporate office, that we understand what that encompasses. Let's not assume that the person, the user, our client, our members, the people we're serving, the communities that we're serving, understand that word. And so I would encourage you, and I try myself, and sometimes I have to actively remind myself, to find a different word. Find something that represents you. If you are a bank, it might be financial assistance. It might be financial cooperation, right? If you're a credit union, maybe some of those, it's like, what does that mean? Oh, I'm partnered up with you. I'm using your products. We all have a little bit different take on this. And so go ahead and lean into whatever your take is. For me, I like using the words wealth and success and achievement and financial independence, right? These are things that are a little bit on the horizon. We are trying to move people to a place where they are financially secure, right? Financially happy, financially exuberant, whatever it might be. And so sometimes people are just trying to get people out of stress. So maybe you're just looking for, like I said, financial peace or financial sanity. So again, just a word that I see used a lot, and in the industry, it's very common, and I think a lot of us in the industry understand what that is. But let's not assume everyone's in the industry, and let's not assume that everyone is in the industry, and let's not assume that everyone will understand what that is, because I get so many follow-up questions on, what is that I think that it doesn't really mean anything to most people. They hear it so often in so many other industries as well. Find a word that works for you. Find something that you actually can deliver and use that word, whether it's your business or your nonprofit, and just tag that as your own. But in the meantime, if you want to offer the financial wellness program that works, that's based on my own experience, I would be happy to connect with you. Feel free to reach out to me at info@expedition.money or check out my website at expedition.money. So I will look forward to seeing you there. See you later.